If your living room still feels stressful even after you clean it, you don't have a clutter problem, you have an architectural problem. Most people think that they just need to buy more storage bins or throw things away. But designers know the truth. But designers know that mental exhaustion is caused by visual friction. When you walk into a room, your brain immediately tries to map the space. It looks for clear pathways and safe spaces to rest. If your furniture blocks natural sight lines, your brain cannot relax. It stays in a constant state of vigilance. Psychologists call this the Zeigarnik effect. Your brain sees the bad layout as an unresolved puzzle, and it spikes your cortisol until you fix it. Look at Japan the aesthetics. The rooms are filled with hundreds of objects, books, plants, and heavy ceramics, but they feel profoundly peaceful. Why is that? Because the spatial geometry is flawless. The brain can process all of those objects because they are structured by strict geometric boundaries. You don't need a minimalist home, you need a structured world. There are 3 architectural villains destroying the peace of your home. Villain number 1 is the wall hugger syndrome. You push all the furniture against the wall to make the room feel bigger, but it actually creates a dead void in the center, and it forces you to yell across the room to have a conversation. It feels like a waiting room. Villain number 2 is the cut through. This happens when your main walkway slices right through your sitting area, and every time someone walks by, your brain has to track them. You can never truly relax. The villain number 3 is the floating island. In an open concept home, if you don't use a rug to anchor your furniture, your brain maps 5 separate chairs instead of one cohesive zone. It's visual noise. To fix this, you must draw your invisible hallway first. Pull your furniture off the walls, anchor it with a rug that touches the front legs of every piece, and route your foot traffic around the back of the sofa, never through the middle. And when you protect your circulation path, the cognitive load vanishes and the room finally exhales. If you want to know exactly how to scale your rugs and measure your walkways without guessing, I've created the exact architecture formulas for you to download them and apply them. Everything is on the link below. So fix your foundation and stop spending money. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you in the next one. Bye.